So hey guys, welcome to Clear and Crisp Coding, and in this video we will be discussing the solution of Codeforces Educational Round 91 Problem A, 3 indices. This was a really interesting but easy problem, and again we will be discussing the fastest solution which can give you maximum points. So the problem is something like this. So we would be given a permutation of length n, and what we have to do is we have to give 3 indices I, j, k such that P of I is less than P of j and P of j is greater than P of k. So let's get to the explanation for better clarity. We would be understanding this visually, and let's suppose these are 4 separate cases, and these height of these lines represents the value of the array element. So we have to satisfy these conditions. So for there would be some I, and greater than that would be some j, and greater than would be some k, and this value P of I should be less than P of j and P of j should be greater than P of k should also be true. So let's see the first case. Since this height is strictly increasing, this means this array is strictly increasing. So we can satisfy the first condition by choosing this as j and this as I. So P of I is less than P of j. That means it is increasing. But on the other side, it should be decreasing. So there is no other point at which it is decreasing. So for this, we can consider all the point, and we won't be able to satisfy any possibility. For this, if we see, if it does not have it for this, if this point, if we see, it has this condition satisfied. That means if this is j and this is I, so P of j is greater, but there is no other point which is less than that. So we can just check at all the point and know where these two conditions would be valid. So the point is that where would this condition be valid is when there would be something like this, a local maxima. That means this is higher and these two which are adjacent are smaller. Just like in this case, I, j, k, this is higher and these two are smaller. So this would be one of the valid way. And in this example, this point and this and this would be similar to this. So this is the most interesting point. If we were able to crack this, then we would be able to easily solve the problem. So let's see the code for better clarity. The code is also pretty similar. So what we are doing is just we are finding some index such that a of I is greater than I minus 1 and I is greater than I plus 1. So a of I is greater than I minus 1 and it is greater than I plus 1, and if it is found, then we are printing yes and just printing that, otherwise we are just printing a no. So this was the fastest solution, I think. If anything is unclear, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.